Namaste. Hello, I'm Dr. Rupaina Joshi, a dermatologist from Nepal. I'm currently visiting Mumbai in Facematic trainings, India. I've come here for a cosmetology training. That's an aesthetic training in fillers and thread lifts. So basically my experience here was very comfortable, I must say. Dr. Akshay was a very experienced teacher. He made us very comfortable with the procedures, and we got a lot of hands-on too. I would request all Nepalese doctors, anyone who is interested in aesthetics, to please at least visit here if you want your skills to improve in aesthetic procedures.